With the launch of the Samsung Galaxy S23 series is just a few weeks away, leaks and rumors are not stopping. Up till now, we know everything about the S23 series, including the unboxing videos, colors, pricing, cameras, and even the specification. Well, leaks are not stopping, and we have got a great news regarding the Galaxy S23 series battery capacity. But before moving on, make sure to subscribe to the channel. So guys, new promo material and new camera sample for the S23 series has been leaked, which pretty much confirms some new information about the device. Now, if you are curious about the Samsung Galaxy S23 series battery capacity, then you would be happy to know that the S23 series is going to be coming with an incredible battery life and a better battery backup. Although we have the same S23 Ultra battery capacity of 5000 mAh as the last year S22 Ultra, but we have 200 mAh battery capacity increase in both the S23 and S23 Plus. According to Anthony, the S23 series will be bringing some incredible battery life, which is going to be giving you a better battery backup, and it could even surpass the Xiaomi 13 and the iPhone 14 series. But in my opinion, the S23 series could even get closer to the iPhone 14 series, but beating them would be hard for them. And the factor that could increase the battery life of the S23 series are the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor and also a new cooling system that is coming in this year S23 series, which is going to give you a better battery life backup. And let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Are you excited about the battery life of the S23 series? Now guys, moving on, we have some new promo materials for the S23 series, which pretty much confirm two things about the S23 series. One is going to be the gaming performance of the S23 series, which is going to be looking great. But the second one is going to be the camera performance of the S23 series, particularly the night photography is going to be much more enhanced. All of the promo materials and the videos that we have seen are basically focusing on the camera sensor of the S23 series. Samsung main focus will be on the cameras and the performance. Now guys, here are some of the camera samples of the S23 Ultra, and boy, they are looking great. We are also going to see a new Ultra Stabilization in the S23 series, which is going to be incredible news. Now, for the pricing, there is going to be a disappointment news for you because most of the countries are coming with a price hike this year, except US, which is coming with the same pricing as last year S22 Ultra. But don't be sad because some new pre-order deals are coming, which will give you a better value for your device. The number one thing is that it will be coming with a memory upgrade option, which means that you will get a 512 GB of storage in a price of 256 GB. Also, in some countries, you will get a Galaxy Buds Pro and Galaxy Watch 5. Plus, in the US, you will even get $50 credit if you pre-reserve the device right now. All in all, the S23 Ultra is going to be an incredible device, and it will packing some incredible hardware and software optimization. And you guys, if you're interested to see the camera sample of the S23 series, here is the video. Check them out as well. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.